Waldo! Why in heaven's name do you watch those animal amateur shows? Just listen to that trash. You call that singing? Boy, she's awful. I tell you, there's no talent these days. You need a haircut, boy. Don't balonk me. Why, when I was with the Rutgers Merry Minstrels, we had... But wait, son. I'll show you what I mean.
Watch it, Unc. The steps. The steps!
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get on that amateur show. Now show those... Waldo! What channel is that talent show on?
That's Channel 25, Unc. But this ain't no talent show.
You're right. No talent at all. That's what I'm trying to tell you, boy. You watch for me. Let's see now. I've been past that television studio 100 times. Pardon me, sir. Could you direct me to... Yeah, thank you. I like a man of action. Nope. Channel 25, Television Studio. Oh, here we are. Oh! My name is Magoo. M as in mother. And I saw your television program, and I...
Oh, yes. People who have seen our TV ad and need credit come to...
Credit? Well, of course I expect credit for my performance.
Yes. Just have a seat, please.
Yes, well, I play the banjo and do a catchy little song and dance act. What's your routine? Oh, yes, I've seen that act. But the one I saw could put 3 billiard balls in his mouth at one time. Ding, ding. Did you ever hear anything so abominable? And they call that singing.
You're next, Mr. Magoo.
That's my act. It's sensational. But I'm not a bit nervous. You know, cameras don't scare me a bit.
Oh, that's good. And now, sir, what's our melody?
It's a sweet lilting refrain. And you like the lyrics, too.
I wonder who writes his stuff. Now just lean back and really open up.
Oh, open your letters, love, listen to me.
I haven't even touched him yet. And now, Mr. Magoo.
The moon like a queen rolls around, and the stars keep their beds burned. Here's more
just a little bit upset. Don't be nervous.
Nervous? I'm getting warmed up.
Oh, Miss Blue, will you please come here and assist me?
Why, certainly, Doctor.
Must get him out of here. Isn't he clever?
Marvelous.
He's really great.
Waldo, did you see my act on television?
No.
Oh, I went over great. And not only that, but some nice policemen brought me home.
Yeah.
You know, boy, I think I've got the fever. The footlights, the smell of grease paint, The curtain closed. Opening night. The reviews.
New York? Where'd you get all the keen money?
I won your prize.
What is it that you do?
Why?